Isn't this the Yakult my little sister can drink 10 at a time? Can you believe it?
Me.
Yêu lắm Yakult thương hiệu lâu đời, hơn 80 năm đến từ Nhật Bản. Nghiên cứu Yakult công trình khoa học, cả thế giới tin yêu 40 triệu
Right now and heading toward our way to a Yakult factory. Let me tell you a story. My little sister loved drinking Yakult, and then one time we got this Yakult thing, and then my little sister was like, I want to drink this, I want to drink this, and my dad was like, okay, well, if you like to drink it so much, then I'm gonna let you drink so many that you wouldn't want to drink it anymore. And so like one after one she drank it, and then she drank 10, and my dad's like, what? And he was like, okay, stop drinking. Now we're gonna head over to a Yakult factory and see how it's made. This is the Yakult factory, and we're gonna go inside. Come on.
Can you believe that? This regular building in front of me is the only Yakult factory in the whole North America. They can make 84,000 Yakult bottles in just 1 hour. It is delivered to the whole North America. There are ads from all over the world. That's really funny.
Let me tell you all about Yakult.
Also, I don't think you've seen this many different kinds of Yakult. Every area has different kinds. There's even skincare.
Why does Yakult come in that size?
Other than when we learned things on the video, we also did lots of fun things. Play games, getting a Yakult squishy, and drinking Yakult.
By the factory door, there's a really cute doll. I really wanted to buy it, but they weren't selling it. In Chinese, there's an old saying, 自己动手，丰衣足食. That means if you can't get it, then make it yourself. So me and my dad used the squishy and some other materials and made a new one. Isn't it cool?